Hey everyone, LM500 Gaming here, and welcome back to another video. Today, I'm going to show you this. It's a Splatoon 2 themed Lego puzzle box. So I'm going to show you how to solve it. So, most of the solving of this is just sliding pieces, and if you comment on my video, well, this is the little key right here, this is the key. If you comment in my video asking for a mechanism tutorial, I will show you how to do the mechanism of the puzzle box. Alright, so most of it's just sliding pieces and then using the key to pull those pieces off. Then we're going to take this wall off. And we're going to take this wall off. Then we can pull this out. After that, we slide stuff on the top. And we're going to keep sliding until we finally can dump out that piece. So now, we can finally dump out this puzzle box. So, then we're going to slide pieces on this. Okay, then pull that off. Oh, that went wrong. That was not supposed to happen. There we go. Okay, then we're going to slide some more pieces. And then we're going to pull this off. Then finally, we have the final puzzle box to solve. And what you do is you pull this piece out, slide, 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 pull that out, twist and twist, and then there's your little treasure. So now let's put it back together. Okay guys, sorry that you might have saw like a bit of my face in that last part. You might have not, but I'm sorry if you did. I think like something happened with the recording. But it's back to its original form. And I do want to show you one last thing. I also built this Lego Splatoon Inkling. It's supposed to kind of go with the puzzle box, and I thought it was pretty cool. So the puzzle box has 80 steps, and it took me 4 days to build it. And then this has around 100 pieces, I'm pretty sure. Maybe 70, maybe 80. I don't know. It has a lot of pieces, and it took me about 3 hours to build because like the body shape was really hard to perfect, and I didn't even perfect it yet. I still need to work on it a little bit more. But I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Please be sure to like, comment, subscribe, and turn on notifications. And if you want to see a mechanism tutorial, just comment down below. And if you want to see a tutorial on how to build this Lego Inkling, comment down below as well. Bye guys!